Oh my god, that is so good.
Located in a beautiful area in Jumeirah Lake Towers in Dubai is this charming little place called Bait Maryam, run by Chef Salam and her family. As soon as you enter, you feel like you've just entered her home with the little details of her mother's sewing machine, the cutlery she uses, and even her mother's curtains. Apart from the consecutive awards that they have won for their concept and menu, they are known for being the utopia for hummus, and we went to check it out. All the hummus dishes consist of everything that a good hummus should: creamy, silky, smooth. But for me, the pièce de résistance is this fete hummus, which is hummus with everything included in it, and it's just so many different textures and flavors just popping and dancing in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. There's magic in that bowl of fete hummus. A completely new find for me is this dish called harah usba, which is absolutely magic as well.
Flavor?
Say it again.
It's harra usba.
Okay, thank you.
Citrusy lemony flavor, lentil dish with pomegranate and some fried bread pieces.
Definitely worth visiting. Top dishes to look out for.